Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Kia Optima versus BMW F10. We'll explore how these two distinct sedans stack up against each other. The Kia Optima typically serves as a reliable and feature-rich option for everyday driving, offering great value. In contrast, the BMW F10 represents a higher tier of automotive engineering, focusing on luxury, advanced technology, and a more engaging driving feel. Let's dive into the specifics of each model. When it comes to performance, these two cars offer very different experiences. The Kia Optima typically features a range of efficient four-cylinder engines, such as a 2.4-liter option producing around 185 horsepower, or a 2.0-liter turbocharged engine with 245 horsepower. The BMW F10, however, boasts more powerful options, including a 3.0-liter inline-six with 306 horsepower, and even a 4.4-liter twin-turbo V8 in its higher trims, offering over 400 horsepower for a truly exhilarating drive. Inside, both vehicles offer comfortable spaces, but with different philosophies. The Kia Optima provides a spacious interior for five, often with soft-touch materials and available leather seating. It typically includes an 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as standard. The BMW F10, on the other hand, emphasizes luxury with high-quality materials, precise craftsmanship, and an ergonomic design. Its iDrive system is a hallmark, offering advanced navigation and connectivity, often displayed on a larger 10.2-inch screen in premium configurations. Considering value and ownership, the Kia Optima generally presents a more budget-friendly option. Its purchase price is typically lower, and routine maintenance costs are more affordable. Kia also provides an excellent powertrain warranty, often covering 10 years or 100,000 miles. The BMW F10, being a luxury vehicle, usually has a higher upfront cost and more expensive maintenance and repair bills. Ultimately, your choice depends on whether you prioritize long-term affordability and warranty coverage, or a premium driving and ownership experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.